we're pulling up to Godafoss Waterfall, and this is the parking lot, and the waterfall's right over here. This was about 35 minutes from Husavik, and we're only another 35 minutes from Akureyri. So it's pretty much right in between the 2 points, and a waterfall. I think at this point we've seen so many waterfalls that it's kind of easy to get desensitized to all of them. It's day 6 today, and we've seen so many epic things that it's starting to feel normal to look at this stuff. Most of the waterfalls we've been to have had signs posted that you're not allowed to fly drones there, but this is one of the few that has not had such signage, so I think we're gonna go ahead and take her up. Godafoss.
Stoplights are hearts.
We're in Akureyri, this biking. We got our $15 Nutella shake, so see if it tastes like 15 bucks. It's very different. Yeah, I don't know, it's good. I think the ice cream's a little better than normally. Basket of read, $7. We're in Akureyri. We just ate at the Gryphon restaurant, which was recommended on TripAdvisor. Total was $75 for a pizza, a veggie sandwich, which was lettuce, grilled onions, sweet potato cubes, grilled tomatoes, and a side of French fries, and a milkshake and bread with some spread for $75. Yeah, that food was alright. It wasn't the best. Now we're gonna head over to Huamstangi to spend the night, and I am pooped. So tired. We've been just go. I realized once we got in there that all I had today was a piece of toast with Nutella, and then we had some chips on the way over here. It's been a long day, and I will see you guys next week on Tuesday. Bye! I'm just so cold. Icelandia, why? I need some blubber. I don't want to eat blubber though. I don't want to eat it, to clarify. I want some blubber on my legs.